Today we're testing the ecozy 2-inch clear ice ball maker, a countertop machine that promises crystal clear, slow-melting spheres made with what the brand calls CrystalFlux technology. It claims to make 42 spheres in about 40 minutes and up to roughly 144 spheres per day, which immediately puts it in the party-ready home bar. Right out of the gate, I love that ecozy has focused on insulation and directional freezing. The page and product videos show a double-layer insulation design and tech-forward approach that's meant to push impurities and air out of the ice while producing dense, clear spheres for whiskey, cocktails, and photo-ready drinks. The machine is built for convenience, automatic water supply compatibility. You can hook it to a water line, plus a built-in reservoir for manual fill, an auto self-clean cycle, and a one-touch interface. All smart time savers when you're hosting. Pricing on this one fluctuates by seller and promotions. MSRP listings and retail snapshots put it in the upper mid-range for home machines. Historical listings show figures in the $400 to $700 window depending on seller and discounts, so expect to compare sellers before you buy. In real-world terms, that price puts ecozy against other premium consumer ice machines. For collectors and home bartenders who want consistent, bubble-free spheres for neat pours, it's a compelling buy. For casual users who only occasionally want a fancy ice ball, it might be overkill. On the review front, pages and seller listings show dozens of recent purchases and several positive buyer videos demonstrating clear, glassy spheres and reliable operation. Customer feedback highlights how visual and slow-melting the ice is, with the usual notes about initial setup and the size of the footprint. My takeaway for a vlog conclusion: ecozy is a polished, feature-rich clear ice solution, excellent for enthusiasts and small-scale entertaining thanks to its production weight and insulation tech. But do your price checking and measure your counter space before committing. And yes, we share buy links in description box.